Hey everyone, welcome back to Do It Yourself, DIY. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest DIY projects and home improvement tips. Today we're diving into a project that's perfect for anyone who loves to build, create or tinker how to turn your garage into the ultimate workshop. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just getting started, this guide will help you transform your garage into a functional, organized and inspiring workspace. Let's get started. A well-organized workshop can make all the difference in your projects, giving you the space and tools you need to work efficiently. In this video, we'll cover everything from planning the layout to setting up storage and selecting the right tools. Ready to make your garage a workshop you'll love spending time in? Let's dive in. Step 1. Planning the layout. The first thing you'll want to do is assess your space and plan where everything will go. Consider how you work and what you'll be doing most often. Do you need a large workbench, plenty of storage, or a dedicated area for certain tools? Sketch out a layout that maximizes space and efficiency, keeping in mind things like lighting, power outlets, and ventilation. Step 2. Clearing and preparing the space. Before you can set up your workshop, you'll need to clear out any clutter and prepare the area. Get rid of anything you don't need and clean the space thoroughly. This is also a good time to address any repairs or upgrades your garage might need, like fixing the flooring or adding insulation. Step 3. Setting up workstations. Now that your space is clear, it's time to set up your workstations. A sturdy workbench is essential for any workshop, so choose one that fits your space and your needs. You might also want to set up dedicated areas for specific tasks like woodworking, metalworking or electronics. Make sure each workstation has easy access to the tools and materials you'll use most often. Step 4. Organizing tools and storage. Keeping your tools organized is key to an efficient workshop. Install shelving, pegboards and cabinets to keep everything in its place. Consider using labeled bins or drawers for small items like screws, nails and other hardware. A well-organized workshop not only looks great but also helps you work more effectively. Step 5. Enhancing lighting and safety. Good lighting is crucial in a workshop, so make sure your space is well lit with overhead lights and task lighting at each workstation. Don't forget to prioritize safety. Install a fire extinguisher, keep a first aid kit handy, and ensure your electrical setup is safe and up to code. Proper ventilation is also important, especially if you're working with chemicals or creating dust. Step 6. Personalizing your workshop. Now that the essentials are in place, it's time to make the space your own. Add personal touches like wall art, a sound system, or a mini fridge to create an environment you'll enjoy working in. Remember, this is your space, so make it a reflection of your style and needs. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to turning your garage into the ultimate workshop. Whether you're working on DIY projects, home repairs, or your next big invention, having a dedicated workspace can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement and DIY tips. Share your own workshop setup or any questions you have in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.